Welcome to Analog Electronics. My name is Professor Mtama. Today, we're going to talk about orbital configuration and diagram. We are going to follow this procedure. First, an atom, then energy level, then sub-level. From sub-level, we go to orbital. From orbital, we'll go to orbital configuration. Then we go to orbital diagram. First of all, an atom is a basic unit of element. So within an atom, there is what we call energy level. This energy level we are going to indicate as N. And you need to know that within the energy level has a maximum number of electrons it can contain. For example, the first one, 2. The second one, 8. The third one, 18. The fourth one is 32. But this one you can predict by the formula. That is 2n squared, where n is the number, where the n is the energy level. For example, if it is 4, n is equals to 4, this one is going to be 32. If n is equals to 7, this one is going to be 2n squared, which is going to be 7 squared, which is 98. Maximum of electron it can contain in an energy level. So, within energy level, there is what we call sublevels. These sublevels are labeled as S, P, D, F. And you should know that in the first energy level, it contains a certain number of sublevels. The first one contains only S. The second one contains S and a P. The third one contains S, P, D. Then the fourth one contains S, P, D, F. You should know that. This one you can describe by using a diagram. This is the first one. The second one has 2. When the energy level is 2. The energy level, which is the third one, it has 3. The fourth one has 4. And this one is S. This one is S, P. This one is S, P, D. This one is S, P, D, F. There's only one here. Only one. There are only 4. So, within sublevels, there's something called orbitals. Orbitals, it is the location. It is the location where the electrons reside. Is the location where the electron reside. You should know that each orbital can only contain maximum of 2 electrons. Can only contain maximum of 2 electrons. So if this is sublevel, we want to indicate the number of orbitals that are found in each sublevel. The maximum number of electrons. The maximum number of electrons. So S has only one orbital. P has 3. D has 4. F has 7. Sorry, here has 5. Has 5. This one has 7. So the maximum number of electron, 2 multiplied by 2, it is 2. This one multiplied by 2 is 6. 5 multiplied by 2 is equals to 10 maximum. 7 multiplied by 2 is equals to 14. You need to know that. So out of this, we can draw what we call, we can write what we call an orbital configuration. Example, if element X has atomic number of 13, then the mass number is 26. You need to know that the first energy level has only S. Has only S from here. Has only S. Has only S, and S contain a maximum. S contain a maximum of 2. Contain a maximum of 2 electrons. So this one will be 2. The second one has 2S, has only 2. S and P. Energy level has only 2. Has only 2 S and P. You can check here. It has only 2 S and P. Has only 2 S and P. This one contain 2. This one contain a maximum of 6. You can check here. P contain a maximum of 6. Contain a maximum of 6. But S contain a maximum of 2. So when you add this one, they should reach 13. But here you can realize they are 10. So we move to the next energy level, which is the third one. It has S, then has 3P. 3P, you must know that the third energy level, here, you must know has this one, SPD. D. But this one must reach 13. This one is 2. If you count is 12, so we only remain at 1. Once it reaches 1, this one becomes 0, so you ignore. So you write the final one, which is 2S, 2P6, 3S2, 3P1. This is the orbital configuration. This is the orbital configuration. If you want to write orbital diagram, to draw orbital diagram, now you just use this one. Use this one. First has only one, which is like that one, S. Then the second one has only one also. It's going to be 1, 2. This is 2S. But this one has 3 orbitals. It has 3 orbitals because you can check here there's 3. Now this is our energy levels. Orbitals are this. There's 3 orbitals. There's 3 orbitals. So this one is going to be 1, 2, like that. Then we move to the last one, which is like this. Then this one is 3S. Then lastly, as this, which is 3P, has only 1. Yeah, this is the orbital diagram.